everybody, my name is Ron. Today we will practice the sounds and v. Okay, practice makes perfect. The sound thanks, thick, thunder, Thursday, think, be the sounds and v in the movies. Beth, thank you. Always the best thing. Believe me, I think. With me, thank you. You look like someone I went to high school with a month for nothing. The sound the was there. The, those, this, these. Is the most important issue. They are American citizens. What do you say to that short conversation? This is the best one. Which computer should I get? Look at this one. I think this is the best one. Really? But that's one over. The looks like too. Yes, but I think this one's better. This is the best one. Are you sure? Yes, this is the best one. Okay, I will try it. Thank you for listening to me. Goodbye.